Hi guys, what's up? This is Tech Moran, and today we've got the entry-level Huawei Y7 Prime 2019, and we're going to be taking a quick look at it, so let's get to the unboxing. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Lifting off the lid, we have the device itself. Then we have a smaller box that, as usual, contains the SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, a clear plastic screen protector, a clear protective case which is very flexible. Then we have the micro USB cable, and charger, and of course a set of earphones for guys who like listening to their music on the go. We have it in this really cool Aurora blue color, but the back appears to be made of polycarbonate, which is a small minus for the aesthetics, but a plus for durability, I guess, because if it was glass, chances of it breaking are very high. At the back, all we find are the vertically stacked dual rear cameras, which are AI integrated, the LED flash, and the fingerprint scanner. The sides seem to be made of aluminum, which has a matte-like texture, which is a plus because it tends to make holding the phone easier, and the phone is less prone to slippage. On the left, we have a triple slot card tray that can accommodate 2 nano SIM cards, a micro SD card, which is always a plus because it's expandable up to 512 gigabytes. On the right, we have a power button and the volume rocker. The buttons are nice and tactile, but when using the phone on one hand, the power up button seems to be a bit far. I wish they were a bit closer, because if you're using the phone on one hand, it's a bit cumbersome to keep on moving your finger so far away. Anyway, that's a struggle for another day. Up top, we have the headphone jack and a noise cancelling microphone. Down below, we have the micro USB port sandwiched between the main microphone and the bottom loudspeaker. And finally, at the front, we have a 6.26 inches IPS display with a resolution of 1520 by 720 and 19 by 9 aspect ratio. From a design perspective, the front panel has some good and not so good qualities. The bezels are thick at the top and at the bottom, although I do like that we get a water drop notch, which Huawei call the dewdrop. It houses a 16 megapixel front firing camera. As for display qualities, of course standards are lower because this is an entry-level device. It will do for day-to-day use. The texts are sharp enough, but the colors aren't up to par. I'm guessing the performance should be good for light to medium tasks. Moving on to the cameras, we have a 13 class 2 megapixel dual rear with integrated AI, accompanied with a 16 megapixel front firing camera. Quite impressive because I'm thinking with the right lighting and good scenery, you can actually get some really good results. So let's try and see how that turns out. The Y7 Prime runs on Android 8.1 Oreo or EMUI 8.2. Hopefully there will be an update to Android Pie very soon. For the battery, you get a huge 4000 milliampere, which can definitely last more than a day or maybe even 2 days of moderate use. For storage, you get 32 GB of internal storage. Well, of course that is expandable because there is a slot for a micro SD card. But that's it guys, so let us know what you think about the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. It comes for only 17,999 shillings. You can get it in any of the offline stores or even on Jumia if you're an online shopper. So what do you think? Let us know down below in the comments. Will this be your new daily driver or will it be their next flagship phone? Until next time, thanks for watching.